Hi, this is HaydenAhn, and we're going to be doing first grade lesson 19 math. Alright, subtraction facts to 18. As you've learned, you can use a number line to find the difference. We know this. We just start from the given number and you count backwards the amount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the number you land on is the answer. Simple. We've done this before. Let's try it multiple times. Instead, use the number line if you need help, so you don't have to if you can figure the answer out on your own. Let's just get straight into number 1. 14 minus 8. Let's just count. So we're actually going to use, they gave us a number line here, so it'd be right here, so we could just use the one they gave us, if you know what I mean. So let's just get straight into it. 14, so let's find 14. Just ignore this, basically. So we'll start on 14, and let's go 8 steps to the left, because we're counting backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, look at that. It lands on 6, so the answer to number 1 is 6. Alright, let's do number 8. So for this one, it's 12 minus 5, so you can just, this one we'll write out. I'll write it out here. 12, and you count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Boom. 7 would be your answer. I'm going to do number 14 next. 10 minus 7, so you can just start off with 10 and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Boom. That would be your answer. Let's do the last question, number 19. 11 minus 7, so you start from 11 and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Boom. 4 is your answer. It's really simple. You guys got it. Find the missing numbers this is fact families. Find the missing numbers to complete each fact family. So fact families are, let's see. Let's just start with number 1. We know what fact families are. We've gone over these before. So first, 5 plus, so this is the fact family of 12, right? So here, I'll highlight it, 12. So we're going to do first box. 5 plus 7 is equal to, if you guys don't know how to do this, you can do the counting method, but I'm just gonna write the answer. It's 12. This is also pretty obvious because it is the fact family of 12, so 12 would be in it. And basically, it's just these 3 numbers used. So 7 plus blank is 12. If 5 plus 7 is 12, then 7 plus 5 is also 12. This is, I think, the commutative property. Alright, moving on. 12 minus 5 is, you guys can use the number line method. Oh, whoa, oops, sorry about that. You guys can use the number line method we learned up here. Or you can just, if 7 plus 5 is 12, then 12 minus 5 is 7. And if 12 minus 5 is 7, then 12 minus 7 is 5. So it's basically, in this case, it's just the numbers 5, 7, 12 being used again and again, kind of. So you can figure it out like that. I'm just going to do one more in this section, number 5. So this is the fact family for 16. 16, that's the wrong color. So let's just start right away. Something plus 7 is equal to 16. So for this one, you can use subtraction to actually figure the answer out. So we can go from 16 and count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Boom. So this number right here will be 9, which makes these 3 numbers, here, I'll make it simple for you. I'll highlight them in different colors. 9, oh, you can't really see the yellow. 9, 7, and 16 are basically the three numbers of the fact family. So we're just going to repeat these numbers. So 7 plus 9 is equal to, we have 7 and 9, so 16 would be the answer. And 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. And if 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, then 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Pretty self-explanatory. It's literally just the same numbers used over and over again, and they're just in different positions. You guys can kind of think of it like so. You guys got it, the rest of it, I believe. Alright, moving on. We're going to be learning how to use a picture graph. We did this, I think, last lesson, the previous lesson. Fill in the last column of the graph, then use the picture graph to answer the questions. Alright, first let's fill in the last column. So let's read glasses of lemonade sold. So that's the topic. Name, these are the people's names. And then this is really important, number of glasses. So one drawing, here I'll highlight it right here. One drawing is equal to 2 glasses. So you just have to count in twos. Or, yeah. So it would be like, for Caroline, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the total number of glasses she has is 18 glasses. And then I'll do one more with you guys. I'll do Jasmine. So for this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry about that. 7, 8, 9, 10. So she has a total of 10 glasses sold. You guys can fill in these other two. And we'll answer the ones with Caroline and Jasmine. So let's do number 1. How many glasses did Caroline sell? This is basically just this column. So Caroline sold 18 glasses. And let's do, actually, I won't answer the rest of these questions. You guys can figure it out on your own. Because you guys just have to fill in these blanks. Actually, I'll do number 4 with you guys. Oops. Colin sold more glasses than Jasmine. How many more glasses did Colin sell? So we know that Jasmine has 10. Also, this is a how many more question, right? That means it's subtraction, so it'll be a minus sign. And if we're trying to figure out Colin's, then his number would be at the top. So to make it easier for you, Colin is red, so his number would be at the top. And Jasmine, or on the other hand, we know how many she has. We counted earlier, didn't we? 10. So 10 is the second number. And once you guys find Colin's number, you guys can put the number right here. But I'm going to leave it blank so that you guys can figure it out on your own. Yeah. You subtract whatever Colin's number is here. Colin's number is. You'll just subtract it, and then you'll come up with the answer. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, lastly, more using a picture graph. Use the bar graph to answer the questions. It's talking about this bar graph right here. It's a really long bar graph. Alright, so let's just go straight into number 1, sorry. How many marbles does Joe have? So if we look in the graph here, Joe is the purple. So if we just count, or we can count these boxes, or we can look at the numbers on the side right here, because these numbers tell us. So if we just go to the end of the purple, we'll see that it aligns with the number 6. So Joe has 6 marbles. We can do this with Cindy. So Cindy's the green. And go to the edge of the green, and it aligns with number 8. So Cindy has 8 marbles. Let's let's do number 6. how many marbles do Joe and Cindy have together? So we counted up here in number 1 and 3 that Joe has, oh, sorry, I keep forgetting, but all together is an addition problem. So you can put a plus in the circle. And we learned in number 1 and 3 that Joe has 6 marbles, so 6, and Cindy has 8 marbles, so 6 plus 8. You guys can do the math, or you guys can come up to this chart here and just count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boom. So the answer would be 14. And yeah, that'll be it for this lesson. Thank you so much.